welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a stateroom tour of number 8520 on board the Disney Dream. This is a Category 7A room, meaning that it's an enclosed veranda with limited views. This can sleep up to 3 or 4 people, and it has 246 square feet, which also includes the veranda. This stateroom is on the 8th deck, and it is forward, meaning that it's at the front of the ship. So one of my favorite things about sailing with Disney are the split bath features. So in this particular half bathroom, we've got a vanity, a sink, and a toilet. Having a split bath makes it super convenient for multiple people to get ready. Alright, so in this bathroom we've got a vanity, a sink, and also the shower tub combo. So in this first closet here, we've got a safe, and we've also got a laundry bag, hangers, and then also the life vest. If you are interested in doing laundry on board, well actually if you're not interested in doing your own laundry, they do have laundry and dry cleaning services available. We normally just take our clothes to the laundry room and do it ourselves though. Since we booked this cruise as a placeholder, we were able to get a $100 onboard credit. Here are our stateroom gifts for being Gold Castaway Club members. Another benefit of being a Gold Castaway Club member is that you get a 10% discount off of merchandise in the gift shops. can fit all of your luggage underneath the bed. The privacy curtain is nice and heavy to help separate the areas. This stateroom is on the starboard side, meaning if you are facing forward on the ship, it is on the right side. It's a great spot to view the fireworks on Pirate Night. The only thing that I didn't like about our stateroom was that from our veranda, if we looked directly down below us, we could see people and their veranda. We just quickly trained ourselves not to look down because, you know, obviously we want to give them their privacy and didn't want any awkward situations. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed our video. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to us already, I invite you to do so. Thanks again. See you again soon.